Car Story research indicates this vehicle as with these ratings. Come test drive the 2014 4Runner. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.